So axis of vertex and tangent at the vertex here. So just observe here in this diagram, the line about which the parabola is symmetrical is the axis of the parabola. Here this is the curve here. The curve is symmetrical about this axis here. Hence this is called axis of the parabola. The curve, the line about which the parabola is symmetrical is called the axis of the parabola. And the point where the axis cuts the parabola is called vertex here. Okay, so this is curve and axis cuts at the point O here. So O is called a vertex here. The tangent at this point perpendicular to the axis is called a tangent at the vertex. So this is a line here, tangent to the curve at the vertex here. Yes, y-axis is called tangent at the vertex here. Therefore, in this parabola, equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4x. Here x-axis is the axis, origin is the vertex here, and y-axis is the tangent at the vertex here. A is always taken to be a positive here. Then let us set up in this diagram here L O L dash here. So L O L dash, L O L S L dash here, not over here, it is S, L S L dash. L S L dash is a line perpendicular to the axis, to the parabola. This is a line here perpendicular to this axis here. It is called a latus rectum of the parabola. This line is a perpendicular to axis and parallel to tangent at the vertex as well as directrix here. This is a directrix, this is a tangent at the vertex. So this line is a parallel to both the directrix as well as tangent here. This is called a latus rectum. Latus rectum always passing to the focus here. Okay, latus rectum always passing to the focus. Yes. So now we have to find out this is the length of the latus rectum here. What is its length of latus rectum here? First draw LM perpendicular to the directrix LM. So draw LM perpendicular to the directrix LM. By definition of a parabola here. By definition of a parabola, according to definition, LS must be equal to LM. LS is equal to LM. Both are equal. This distance as well as this distance both are equal by the definition of a parabola. LM can be written as SZ here. So this is equal to SZ, and SZ can be written as OS plus OZ here. So OS plus OZ, and you know OS this distance is a unit here, OZ this distance is also a unit here. Yes, A plus A becomes what here? 2A. Here L dash is called latus rectum. Here LS is the LS means the length of the semi-latus rectum. Therefore, length of semi-latus rectum is equal to 2A. LS is the length of semi-latus rectum. Therefore, length of latus rectum here is L S L dash. That is L S L dash. This length is 2 times of LS here. This is equal to this here. Both lengths are equal here. It is symmetrical. Hence 2 times LS here. Then 2 into here LS is equal to 2A. It is a 2A here. Then 2 into 2 becomes 4A. Therefore, this length of the latest rectum is 4a. Okay, remember it here. This is a very important result. Length of the latest rectum is 4a. So now what I am explaining here, those are very important results here. So for solving the examples, we require these results here. So first one here. So equation of this parabola is y square is equal to 4x. So here axis of the parabola is x-axis here. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. For this parabola, axis is x-axis here. Second one, vertex is origin. Vertex of the parabola is origin here 0, 0. And here tangent at the vertex is y-axis here. Okay, third one here. Tangent at the vertex. Tangent at the vertex is y-axis here. Then the fourth one here, focus is a, 0. Focus. So yes, a, 0. Then the fifth one, length of the latest rectum here. So length of latest rectum is equal to 4a. Then the sixth one here, equation of this latest rectum here. So equation of latest rectum is, here this distance is a unit here, and this is a line parallel to y-axis here. Then obviously equation of that latest rectum is x is equal to a here. So obviously its equation is x equal to a. If the line parallel to y-axis here having a distance a unit, then equation of this latest rectum is x is equal to a. And this is a directrix here. Even this distance also a unit parallel to y-axis, but it lies left hand side here. Left hand side having a distance a unit. Therefore, equation of this directrix is x is equal to minus a. So write as seventh one here. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix here is x is equal to minus a. Then the eighth one here, ends of latest rectum here. Ends of latest rectum are, so L here, x coordinate is a, because this is a unit here and this is a height. You already proved here L is equal to 2a. Therefore, it is a comma 2a here. So, because it lies in the first quadrant here, in the first quadrant both x-axis as well as y-axis both are positive here. And it is in the fourth quadrant here. It is the fourth quadrant. X is a positive, y is a negative. So, it's a coordinate here a minus 2a. X is a here, y is a minus of 2a. Therefore, L dash A minus 2A. These are the ends of the letters rectum here. Okay. These are very important results for the point of examination here. So using these results here, we are solving the examples or we are proving some theorems here. So in this case, the parabola is y square equal to minus 4ax here. If y square is equal to minus 4ax, then the curve opens left hand side here, like this here. If y square is equal to minus 4x, then the curve opens left hand side, or curve open left hand side equation of the parabola is y square is equal to minus 4a. Even here also, x axis is the axis here. Axis of the parabola is the same x axis only. Then this axis cuts the parabola at the origin here. Therefore, vertex of the parabola is the origin here. And here tangent at the vertex is y axis only. Therefore, tangent at the vertex is the y axis here. And S is the focus. It lies the left hand side here. Left side of that y axis. So it's a coordinate here minus a0. Coordinate of S is minus a0. Length is always the same here. Length of the letter circum in any quadrant, its length is 4a only. Length of the letter circum is 4a. And the equation of the letter circum, so it is a letter circum here. It lies the left hand side here. So its equation is x equal to minus a. This is a directrix CL here. It lies the right side of the y axis here. Therefore, here it is a positive here. X equal to a here. Therefore, equation of the letters rectum is x is equal to minus a, and equation of the directrix is x is equal to plus a, because it side lies right hand side here, so it is positive. It lies left hand side, so it is a negative. Next, ends of the letter rectum here minus a to a. So here, because x is a minus a, because it is left side here it is a minus and it is a positive. X is a negative, y positive here. So minus a comma to a, and L dash it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, x a negative as well as y negative. So minus a minus 2a, both are negative here. Both are negative in the third quadrant here. Hence, coordinate of L dash minus a minus 2a. These are the ends of the letters rectum. So these are all the formula related to the parabola y square is equal to minus 4ax here. Next, two more parabolas are like this here. So this third parabola. In this case, parabola opens upper side here. Then the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. In this case, y axis becomes axis here. So axis of the parabola is y axis here. Then this axis cuts the parabola at the vertex here, origin. Therefore, vertex of the parabola is origin here, 0, 0. And this x axis is the tangent at the vertex here. Therefore, x axis is the tangent here. The line means this x axis touches the curve here. Hence, it is called tangent here. Focus here lies on the y axis and having a distance a in it here. This is a and this is also a here. Both are equal here. Both equal are here. Os and OZ both are equal here. Hence, the coordinate of S becomes 0, a here. Because on x axis, y axis x coordinate always 0. Then y axis is a. Therefore, 0, a. Coordinate of S is 0, a. Length of the letter circum is the same, 4a only. And equation of the letter circum, this is the letter circum here, parallel to x axis, having a distance a in it here. So its equation is y is equal to a. So y is equal to a is the equation of the letter circum. Even this is also parallel to x axis, having a distance a in it, but it lies below. Hence its equation is y is equal to minus a. So y is equal to minus a is the equation of the directrix here. And ends of the letter circum, just observe here. Here LS always 2a. Therefore x coordinate is 2a. Here x coordinate is 2a and y coordinate is a unit here. So 2a comma a. So L 2a comma a. Then L dash it is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant x is a negative, y positive here. Hence it is a minus 2a comma a. These are ends of the letters rectum here. So fourth type of the parabola here, it opens downward direction here like this. In this case, parabola is x square equal to minus 4ay. Therefore, here again y-axis is the axis here. Axis of the parabola is y-axis. Then vertex is origin here, same 0, 0. And x-axis is the tangent at the vertex here. That is also same here. Then yes sir, coordinate of s here. So it is below the x-axis here. Having a distance same a only. Therefore 0 minus a here. 0 minus a. Coordinate of this s becomes 0 minus a. On x-axis, on y-axis, x coordinate always is 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Since it lies below here, so y coordinate is negative, minus a. Then the length of the letter rectum is the same here, 4a only. Length of the letter rectum is 4a. Then this is the letter rectum here. It lies below the x-axis, having a distance a unit here. So equation of this letter rectum is y is equal to minus a here. So equation of the letter rectum is y equal to minus a. And this is the directrix here. L is the directrix. It lies above. Hence its equation is y is equal to a. Equation of the directrix is y is equal to plus a. And here ends of the letter rectum L is this LS always 2a. So x coordinate is 2a and y coordinate is minus a. So 2a minus a because it is a fourth quadrant. In the fourth, x values are positive, y values are negative. So y negative. So this is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, x negative, y also negative. So minus 2a minus a. Both are negative. Minus 2a comma minus a. These are the ends of the letter rectum here. So these are 4 types of parabolas here. So all the 4 types are very important for the point of examination.